it's Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. I got some really cute shoes and clothes from AMI CLUBWEAR and they were super inexpensive. They have a sale going on right now, so if you guys are interested, I will definitely leave their link down below. I have also posted some stuff on my Insta story and you guys have asked where these clothes are from, so I will also leave that down below for you guys. And I will leave down below in the description box where I got each outfit, from shoes to jewelry, hats, accessories, all that stuff. I will leave that down below as well. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I do link all of my stuff and post and tag all of my outfits and stuff like that. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and head over there. I will also leave that down below. But before we do jump into today's video, I have like a huge announcement and I can't tell you guys until August 1st. Just keep that like date in your mind. August 1st, August 1st, August 1st. Like keep checking my social media. Just stay tuned because I'm going to be releasing something that I've been working on and it means like a lot to me because I've been staying up, putting my dedication into this. I've been so motivated to like get this together and put it out for you guys. Super, super, super excited, so stay tuned because I will be announcing this huge announcement on August 1st, so keep that date in mind. But with all of that said, let's just go ahead and jump into today's video. Let's go. If you did, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up and let me know what outfit was your favorite down below. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and put on the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Please stay tuned and follow me because the announcement just means the world to me, and yeah, I'm just really doing this for you guys. I'm putting my heart and soul into it for you, so get excited because I'm super excited. Anyways, that is it for today. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!